What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Resale back at it again with another video for y'all. Today we got a huge unboxing. Hella Louis Vuitton. I ordered like 30 Louis bags, so you can see this is how they come. They all come packaged very well. I got the store bag right here. They come with the receipt. That's you see in the back, the little envelope in the back. But it's called a trio set bag. This is the Louis Vuitton trio set bag. There's 3 receipts for each bag. But this is the black on black leather embedded bag, and you can find this one on Louis Vuitton for about 2,300 bucks. And yeah, I'm really impressed with the quality of this. I knew that my vendor is a retail vendor, so all these bags are getting shipped straight to retail Louis Vuitton stores, and that's how I'm getting them. I'm getting them for a way better price than what we would pay here at the retail store. But this the Louis Vuitton shoulder bag, the main bag right here. This is the biggest bag. And yeah, like I said, the stitching is perfect. The zipper is perfect. During this unboxing, I realized that I had placed the order for multiple colorways of this style bag, of the shoulder style bag. Y'all have seen me doing unboxing on a set of shoulder style bags, aka messenger bags. But this is not the same ones, so I'm showing you the different colorways, and this one has a 3-piece set to it. But this is the shoulder belt piece, and yeah, it say Louis Vuitton Paris right here. The leather is really good. The stitching is flawless, as we can see right here. But like I said, I'm very satisfied with this bag. I actually kept this colorway for myself. I kept one of each colorway for myself. And I have a blue Goyard shoulder bag. I've sold all my other Goyard bags. And yeah, I kept one of the Goyard wallets too. I'm probably gonna keep a few of the Dior wallets. But I was very excited for this shipment, and I'm happy that I got all the packages touched down. And yeah, but unboxing that next package, that was the first colorway. I also realized that there were multiple colorways that landed at once. So you'll probably see me get into the other colorways in a second. This is a voiceover of a recording, but this is me busting down the next package. See, it's kind of messy in my room because there's so many boxes piling up, but we still got hella Yeezys left. I gotta go pick up like 400 for 3 pairs of Yeezys. 3 pairs of Yeezys cost me 180, and I sold them at 400. So gotta go pick that up on the 10th. And yeah, here go another set of trio set bags. But as you can see, there's just packs on packs on packs piling up. This is another 3-piece set of 3 bags. Like I said, everything comes with Louis Vuitton store bags and Louis Vuitton receipts, so you know it's official. You know it's straight from retail factories, and I'm getting it before some of the stores get it. But right here, you just see me unboxing straight packages. So yeah, y'all gotta stay tuned in because I got a lot of more shit on the way. I'm gonna keep putting orders in. We about to get in the moissanite watches and stuff. I'm probably finna pick up Audemars Piguet, all white diamonds. I found me a vendor, so like I said, he charges about 600 per watch, and I'm about to get in the watches, and flipping them for about 1,500 each, 15 to 2,500 each. And yeah, I'm gonna take them to the mall and stuff, buy me a diamond tester. Y'all gonna continue the process with me of reselling. But as you can see, we stacking shit up to the top. If you remember, we started this last year. So November 2024, November 17, 2024 was when I first spent money on reselling, and you can see the progress already. It's been almost about a year. It'll be a year and 4 more months. So you can see how major this has gotten to me. This is my biggest form of income right now. My only form of income is reselling. But you can see how boxes are piling up and packs are piling up as we continue this unboxing. But I just pulled out more Louis bags. As you can see, I'm probably finna pull out more Louis bags. Like I said, I ordered 30 of them. And yeah, this is getting outrageous, but gotta keep the motion going, gotta keep it on. If you need vendors, DM me on IG, or you could just comment down below and I'll work something out with you. I'll probably send you the Instagram or send you my email or phone number, and you could get links directly from me. Or you can purchase directly from me as well. Here's a bag of 6 Louis bags. These are different styles, but here's another 6 Louis bags. This isn't the trio set, but I'm gonna open one up for y'all so y'all can see. I actually really like this bag. They don't come with like a shoulder bag, so it doesn't come with a belt, but the quality of the bag is fucking flawless. It's perfect. As you see, the dust bag looks good and everything checks out. It comes wrapped with extra tissue paper. And this is just one colorway of this style. This style is called a toiletry bag. So this is a Louis Vuitton toiletry bag. You see the little zipper part, got Louis Vuitton written around it. And we about to unbox or get the tissue paper off of it so you can see the Louis print. But yeah, like I said, I'm very satisfied with this pickup. My Louis Vuitton bag vendor, his prices are really good. So I ordered like 20 of this style bag in my hand for only like 400 bucks. So that's like 20 bucks a piece. And yeah, the quality is good. You see the stitching is flawless. The print is flawless. Metal zipper all the way through, you know. You see that zipper got Louis Vuitton on it, that's written all on it as well. So yeah, this bag is very fly. I actually hooked it up. You can put the zipper and the other loop on the end. You could put a like a shoulder bag strap on it, and I was wearing it like a shoulder bag, but it doesn't actually come with the strap. I just switched it out, and I actually like this bag more than some of the shoulder bags. So yeah, I kind of just made a shoulder bag out of this one, but it's not an original shoulder bag because it doesn't come with the strap like I said. But it's a dope bag, bro, and I like it. The quality on this flawless, as we can see in the video. So nice Louis bag, all retail items. See the clean zip, and yeah, this is probably my favorite bag until we get into the plaid bag, the trio set plaid one. And yeah, so that's 2 styles. We got the actual shoulder bag right here, the embedded black on black one, 3-piece set. And you got the small coin purses to go with it, you know. So very dope. I'll probably keep coins in one and keep like a stack of cash in the other one. And I kept some Goyard wallets to hold my cards, some Goyard card holders. But here we got more packs to open. These are more Louis bags, of course. And like I said, I ordered 20 of the brown ones. I ordered 20 of them. I got brown, I got gray, and then I got black on black. 20 of that style toiletry bag. And then I got like 10 of the 3-piece set bags. And I haven't shown you all the plaid one yet. So we're gonna get into the plaid trio set bag as well. But I got some Goyard. I kept a Goyard bag in blue. You know, just to fill it up with hundreds. But that's the last color Goyard I have. And then I kept some Goyard wallets. But yeah. As we continue this unboxing, like I said, we got more Louis bags on Louis bags. And it's just 30 of them, multiple. But we just finishing the unboxing anyway. Just to keep y'all up to date. Phew. I got some people that's interested in the bags. I'm really just not interested in trades right now. And that's one of my biggest issues on moving them. A lot of people are wanting to trade, but I'm more focused on selling for cash. But yeah, like I said, so many bags. 21 of the brown checkerboard print, and then nine trio set bags. So yeah, I'm very excited, and we gotta keep the motion going. Gotta keep motion going as I continue this unboxing for y'all. You see it's Louis everywhere. I got Nike Dunks and stuff, and rare Jordans in those boxes right here. I'll show y'all these Dunks. I got the Oregon Dunks samples. These are like 300 to 400 on StockX right now. The Oregon Team Dunks. These are hella dope. Got the Duck Oregon as a family on the tongue. You know, You got the extra laces. You got the silver wings on the inside of the shoe. You got the feathers on the outside too. Yeah, this is probably my favorite shoe right now. I'm not gonna cap. I'm about to order some more pairs, maybe like 10 pairs of these. I'm about to get like 10 pairs of Jordans as well. And then we gonna start on a moissanite project on the diamonds and stuff. But yeah, we lit. We lit this way. Here go another pair of dunks. I got the Supreme dunks. You see the suede on these is perfect. It's flawless. But I got the purple ones, I got the blue ones, and I got the black on black ones. I got 2 pairs of purple ones if you are interested. Size 10 and 11. Black on black size 11 and blue on black size 11 as well. The Oregon dunks are size 11 as well. So stay tuned. If you need any pairs, just DM me. I could get your size. I can get any size. But just let me know. If you want my vendor, I'll probably charge you like $100 to get all the rare sneakers. So you can just hit me up from there, and then I'll shoot you my vendor link. And yeah, y'all could work something out. But I got so many pairs. There's so many pairs to buy. This pair's continuously releasing. Actually, the Jordan 4 Rare Airs, one of my plugs has them. He bought like 300 to 600 pairs of them, and they're not even out yet. So it's hella dough in this. Stay tuned, stay hip. You know, I'm about to buy a lot of pairs, and yeah. As you can see from here, all the bags are piled up. That's what it looks like. Straight Louis bags. 6 bags right here, 6 bags right here. That's like 12 bags. You know, I got so many Louis bags everywhere. Just Louis V everywhere, Louis V everywhere. But that's how it should look. And yeah, we're gonna keep it going. There's so many bags I can't count. Yeah, but getting into that quality, stitching is flawless, everything is flawless, the leather is perfect, and I'm gonna show y'all the made in Paris. Got Louis Vuitton pairs right here, made in France, stitched perfectly. That's how you know everything is authentic, everything is real deal, retail store product. And yeah, I'm gonna get into the receipts for y'all. This is the receipt, straight from Louis Vuitton. Boom. And that's how you know everything is retail, everything is real, everything is legitimate. So yeah. Here's the other bag. These do come with store bags and receipts as well. As you can see, there's a pile of store bags right there. A pile of shoes. And honestly, we just doing a lot, you know. We got a lot of motion. Like I said, so you might as well tap in, tune in for links. Here goes moissanite. This is my vendor. A lot of y'all will probably be excited about this. We're about to get into it though. Like I said, he charges me about 600 to 700 per watch. I'm about to pick up some 8 Audemars Piguets, all white, and then I'm waiting on some Patek Philippe's and some skeleton Cartiers. But as you can see, there's a skeleton Cartier right there at the bottom. The AP is at the top, looking beautiful. Rolex and the AP. But yeah, I'm about to get the APs, the all white APs. As you can see, the ones that he's touching right now, and those are probably my favorite. But stay tuned, stay hip for this. It's your boy Resell. I'm out. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and comment vendor, you know, if you need links. So that's what you should comment, and I'm gonna shoot you some links, or you could DM me on Instagram at inkresellyt. That's INKRESELLYT. That's my Instagram. You could DM me, and then I could shoot you some vendor links. Like I said, if you want to bundle it, we could work something out. And then special vendors, like high ticket item vendors like moissanite, probably charge you a little ticket, but it's gonna be worth it. That's your boy Resell though. I'm out. Peace.